Bill Gates recently wrote about his take on what happened in 2021 and his predictions for 2022. In this video, I'm going to talk about how some of his predictions relate to entrepreneurs and what you should be looking out for in the future. I think we're all tired of the pandemic. Gates talked about how he thought the pandemic would have ended in 2021, but with the Delta and Omicron variants, it threw a curveball and prolonged the pandemic. He does say that within 2022, he believes most areas of the world will return to normal. Fingers crossed. Something positive the pandemic has created is the openness to remote work. Gates believes many jobs that once were in person will remain hybrid or fully remote states. This is a big change from the past when employers always want to look over your shoulder. What does this mean for entrepreneurs? Well, being a digital entrepreneur in 2022 has never been easier. Now it's easier to work online, sell services to clients while being in a distant location. As an entrepreneur, you can take a look at local talent pools, cost of living, quality of life, and pick and choose where you want to be located. 50 years ago, this would have been impossible. But in 2022, if you want to live in France and sell social media services to the USA, well, go for it. Bill goes on to talk about how new technology and webcams will create 2 and 3D environments for work. What this means for you is in the future, you'll be able to log in and put an avatar where if you're in a meeting with others and someone is talking, the person's voice is coming from where they're digitally seated. Pretty mind-blowing, right? Well, it's only a few years away, so get ready. Other predictions are in the education and healthcare space. Classrooms have been quite empty the last 2 years, and students are falling behind. Yes, the future of classrooms might look like the 2 and 3D environments we just talked about for work, but Bill also talks about the investments in curriculum. They need to take place to help students make up lost time. And in the healthcare space, telemedicine advancements will continue, so you can receive care from having a nurse or doctor and not have to go in. Your Apple Watch that tells your heart rate and how many hours you sleep might now give your doctor a heads up if something's going wrong in your future. It's a bit creepy, but the technology is almost there. With those predictions, we have quite a lot to look forward to, and there's going to be quite a lot of opportunities for entrepreneurs. That's it for today. If you're interested in entrepreneurship tips and tricks, like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be the first to know when the next video drops. I'll see you in the next vid. Ciao!